Hello Techies. As part of the interview question series, in this session we will learn what are topics in Copilot Studio. First, let me explain you theoretically about topics in Copilot Studio. Topics are the conversation building blocks. Each topic defines what a user intent is via a trigger phrases and how the bot responds through a series of nodes like messages, questions, conditions, and actions. Topics can be system topics or custom topics created by the author. This is about the theoretical part of the topics in Copilot Studio. Now let me show you practically where we will find these topics in Copilot Studio. Let me switch to the browser and navigate to copilotstudio.microsoft.com. In our previous tutorials, we have created n number of agents, right? On the left hand side, you can see the menu such as agents. Let's click on that. And there you will find I have created 3 agents such as banking email service assistant, leave management agent, Microsoft Learn Assistant. If you don't have any agent, create a blank agent from here by clicking on plus icon, or you can go for the drop down and then create advanced agent. Now I have already created an agent and you can select for the topics any agent. For an example, I'm going for the banking email service assistant. Let me click on that. And there on the topmost menu, you can see such as overview, knowledge, tools, agents, topics, and many more, right? Now, as part of this tutorial, we are going to learn what are topics in Copilot Studio, right? Let me click on the topics. These are the conversational building blocks. There you can see I can add a new topic such as from blank and add from description with Copilot, right? There are 2 types of topics are available. One is custom topic, another one is a system topic. These system topics are built-in topics. We cannot create them, but we can modify them. Whereas custom topics are created by the author. We can go ahead and we can modify that. This is all about the topics in Copilot Studio. Alright, I hope you understand what are topics in Copilot Studio theoretically and practically as part of this tutorial.